Question number 9. Binary form is used to store data and instructions in the computer. Yes, true. It is computers use machine language, which is binary format. 945 is a valid number for both octal and hexadecimal number systems. You know, so what are the valid digits in each number systems? So let me remind, in binary, 0 and 1 are the valid digits. In octal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the valid digits. In decimal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the valid digits. And in hexadecimal, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is A, B is 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F 15. So these are the valid digits in each number systems. So consider this, and you can see 0 and 1 valid only in binary, 0 to 7 valid in octal, 0 to 9 valid in decimal, 0 to 9 and A to F valid in hexadecimal. So 9 is not a valid number in octal. So binary, this is correct. First one is correct. I agree with that. Binary in computers, but the second one is wrong because this is not used in octal. 9 is not used in octal. That is the error here. 9 in octal is a problem. It's not valid. 412 equivalent to this number. You know how to convert numbers, right? You know how to convert octal to binary. If you cannot remember, let me remind. So you have to write the octal numbers first. 0 is represented using 000. Then 1 represented using 001. 2 represented using 0. 2 represented using 0, 1, 0. Likewise, you have to write the numbers, all the numbers represented here. So let me write the other numbers also. 3 represented using 0, 1, 1. There's a pattern. 3 uses 0, 1, 1. 4 use 1, 0, 0, and 5 uses 1, 0, 1, and 6 uses 1, 1, 0, and 7 uses 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is how the number system. This is how octals are represented. Paper එක දුන්නම when they have given this when they have given this rough sheet, you have to create this. This is very important. When they have given the rough sheet, please create this because you can answer fastly to the questions. If you have this table, it's very fast, you can answer to the questions. Not just this hexadecimal table too. Dasepade table එකයි දෙකම ඇඳ ගන්න. There's a pattern. What is the pattern? So here 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, repeating 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then repeat 2 by 2. 0, 0, 1, 1. Here downward see 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 4 zeros, 4 ones. This is how digits are changing. 4 zeros, 4 1. Hexadecimal tibbana 0, 1, 0, 1. This will repeat 16 times. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 16 times. 4 zeros, 4 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 16 times. Then 8 zeros, 8 ones, 16 times. 8 zeros, 16. So then after writing down the digit, it's easy to convert. 412. 4 means from here 1, 0, 0. 1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 means 0, 1, 0. Then 4, 1, 2. 412 in octal. 4, 1, 2. So that is okay, right? 1, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 zeros. Then 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, then A correct, C correct, answer is this. A correct, C correct, answer is. If you need, so please note these things. Valid digits in octal, valid digits in binary, valid digits in octal, valid in decimal, valid in hexadecimal. Then the conversion part. You can write 3 by 3 and convert that to octal. You can write 4 by 4 and convert to hexadecimal the other way. Let's remind that in another question, right? Our question එකක් කරනකොට මතක් කරගන්න. Okay, then question number 10. And note that you can get all the recordings if you need the recording again, if you need to know how the answer come. And if you cannot understand anything, please ask that time itself, right? Don't wait till the recording. Recording එක එනකන් ඉන්න එපා. ඒකෙන්වත් බලලා හොයා ගන්නවා කියලා. තේරෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් තිබ්බොත් ඒ වෙලාවෙම අහන්න. Ask that time itself, then I can give the answer. I can help you understand that. And okay, question number 10. Which of the following shows the given storage component descending order of access speed? Descending order means fastest to slowest. Fastest is descending order of access speed. Access speed. Speed is high when the memory is closer to the processor. So the closest one to processor is the register. After that, you have the cache memory. After that, you have the main memory and then the hard disk. Because immediate access memory for the processor is register, then immediately accessing cache memory. After that, it's accessing the main memory and then the hard disk. So that is the order, descending order of speed. So you have to think which is closer to the processor and which is away from the processor. Which closer to the processor is registers and cache. Then main memory is detached, it's somewhere, and after that only the hard disk comes. I think I have given you the diagram in the beginning, right? If you can remember the memory hierarchy, let me show that again. So this is really interesting one. Always you will get a question from this area. And even in A-level ICT, this question is very popular question. So this is the diagram. Please take a screenshot if you cannot remember that. Start from the registers to tertiary memories. Here speed is increasing, capacity is decreasing. Cost is also increasing. Take a screenshot of this, very important. Even in A-levels, this is I have taken this in A-levels. In A-levels, O-levels, this question is very common. But A-level question will be difficult than this. Okay, moving back to the question paper. So answer is 3 for the answer is 3 for this question, right? Registers, cache memory, main memory, and hard disk. Faster, again faster, bit faster and slower. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, no, up to 15. Up to 16 also possible, right? It seems. No. Okay. 11 to 15. Please do that. 11 to 15. If character E represented ASCII 69, like a promising number, 69, I think it's very kind of famous number for Sri Lanka, a lucky number maybe, don't know. Just kidding, right? Okay. Right. Character E is represented ASCII 69 and asking what is the binary representation of character G. E, F, G. E, F, G, chronological order. Think about the order. E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. E is 69, F is next to E. So that is usual, right? F, fail is next to that number. And E, F, G. E, F, G. Then F is 70 and G is 71. So indirectly they are asking 71 in binary, right? Think about the order. E, F, G. E එක F එක G එක. E එක 69 නම් F එක 70, G එක 71. 71 in binary. Now we have to convert that. How to convert a number to binary? You know that. 71. Let's convert the number. 71 divided by 2, 35. Forgive me for my ugly letters and remaining 1. 35 remaining 1 divided by 2 is 17 and balance is 1. divide by 2 again is 8, remaining remaining 1. And actually now itself you got the answer. 111 in the end is this one, should be right. So let's calculate anyway. 2, 4, remaining 0, and divide by 2 again, 2 remaining 0, divide by 2 again, that is 1 remaining 0. When you get the 1, you can take like this. It is 1 000 0 111. 1 000 0 111. Number 2 is the answer. Okay, 11. That is how you get the answer for 11. Ginura, Lashain only tried 11 is number 2. Okay. Others, please, you can try, right? It's not difficult. Don't be afraid of ASCII. So just asking some number conversion. Okay, which of the following contains only task of operating system? OS task only. Payroll management. It is application, no? Payroll is salaries, no? Salaries are not related to operating system anyway. It's wrong. Database management, again, the second one, you can see database management. Database again is application software. It's also not relevant to operating system. File management, process management, correct answers, right? These are correct. This is also, oh, sorry. This is correct. This is also correct. File management, correct. Process management, correct. Correct. Memory management, database, again, no, it's not an answer. Process management, correct. Memory management, correct. File management, correct. User management, correct. Hardware management, that is also correct. So resource management related to the hardware, software, liveware. Hardware, software, liveware sambandha resource management. So liveware resources, users. Software resources, you know, so application software, system software. Hardware resources, processors, memory, file, network, hardware. Those are the tasks of operating system. So question number 12, 4 is the answer for that. Question number 12, 4 is the answer. Okay, let's go to the question number 13. Which of the following technique, right, can be used to increase the free space of a hard disk without deleting existing files? තියෙන file මකන්නේ නැතුව space එක වැඩි කරගන්න අහන්නේ without deleting existing files. Compressing the extraction. Yes, that is correct. Compressing means like private bus, you have some passengers, but these passengers are here and there. Conductor come, and so maybe not nowadays, but earlier days, conductor comes and tell, hey, පොඩ්ඩක් පස්සට යන්න, පස්සෙන් ගිහලා ඉස්සරහට යන්න, likewise. So compressing, packing, file packing or compressing is a way of increasing the space without deleting the file, without dropping the passengers or without dropping the people. So it's trying to load it. That is compressing. That is correct. Copying files to hard disk to flash drive. Copying is okay, but after copying you have to delete. That is missing here. Copy කරොත් හරි. Copy කරලා ඉතින් hard එකේ ඒවා delete කරන්නත් ඕනේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් එතකොට මෙතන delete වෙනවනේ. ඒ හින්දා ඒක හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Cut and paste is also okay, but you have to delete then also. The original files are removed. That is not good answer. Formatting the hard disk will definitely delete the files. Partitioning means divide the disk space into a manageable pieces. CDE. So that is not giving space. That is giving the management capability. Easy to manage. Right? So answer is number 1, compression of existing files on the hard disk. Okay. So let's see your answers. I think, yes, some of you have given the correct answer. Yes, some of you have not. 13, no. None of you have given the answers. Compressing the files, right? Compress karna කියන්නේ zip කරලා, archive කරලා, compress කරන්න පුළුවන්. Compress කරලා තමයි තියෙන file තියාගෙනම ඉඩ ගන්න පුළුවන්. Format කරොත් මැකෙනවා. අහන්නේ without deleting files නේ. format කරන එක හරි but without deleting file කියන එකත් කියවන්න ඕන. මෙතනට විතරක් කියවලා බෑ. increase the free space කිව්වොත් formatting ගහනවා. දිගටම කියවන්න. Without deleting the existing files, then the first one is the suitable answer. Okay, 14, 15, 16. So let's discuss. I asked you to do up to 15, right? Yes, up to 15. Okay, while editing a document using a word processing software, you decided to copy the selected part of the document to another document. Which of the following key combinations will enable you to carry out this task? Okay, you need to copy selected part. First you have to select, then Control C, then Control V. So simple as that, right? You have to copy, then Control C is to copy and Control V to paste. So what is the answer? So that is a very easy question. The answer is yes. It's a very easy question. Answer is number 1. Copy, paste, Control C, Control V. Okay, then consider the range of cells given in A3. Sorry. Consider the range of given cell A3 to C4. A3 to C4. Right? A3 to A3 here, C4 here. A3, then A3, B3, C3, A4, B4, C4. Okay. So which of the following cells are included in this range? A3, B3, C3, A4, B4, C4. So it is also a simple question. So answer is number 4. Okay, 14, 15. What about your answers? 14, 1, 15. 4, correct. Lashin. 1, 15. Girura, correct. Praveen, 14, 1, 15. 15, it's a range, Girura, Praveen. 15, it's a range. A3, B3, range එකක් select කරාම බලන්න දැන් මම මෙතන range එකක් ඇන්දොත් බලන්න කොහොමද කියලා. මෙන්න මෙතන ඉඳන් කියන්නේ A3 to A3 ඉඳන් C4 වෙනකන් select කරනවා. A3 to C4. That includes A3, B3, C3, A4, B4, C4. Okay, question number 16, 17, 18. So please provide your answers quickly. 16, 17, 18. Now we have discussed 20 questions today, or 19 also. Yes, up to 90, please, up to 90. You can see we have speed up our work. You can see that. Consider the following spreadsheet segment with the formula B2 into $5. B2, where's B2? B2 into $5. B2 multiplied by $5. Something is in, if there's a dollar sign in front of a letter or in front of a letter or number, that is not going to change in that direction. Basically, numbers are changed in this direction, no? But if there's a dollar in front of that number, it's not going to change in this direction. So letters are changed in this direction, no? If there's a dollar in front of the letter, dollar in front of the letter, it's not going to change this direction. This won't change. This won't change. You can letter එකක් ඉස්සරහා dollar තිබ්බනම් හරහට change වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Number එකක ඉස්සරහා dollar තිබ්බනම් ඒක පල්ලහැට change වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ කොච්චර මේක auto fill කරත් මේ function එක copy paste කරත් මේක change වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ dollars නැතිව change වෙනවා. හරි related විදියට. ඒතකොට B2 කියන්නේ මෙයා එයාව multiply කරන්න කියනවා $5 ගෙන්. දැන් මෙතනනේ ඔක තියෙන්නේ. It is written in C2. දැන් මේක drag කරොත් පල්ලහැට මේක drag කරනකොට ඒකට අදාළ reference එකක් drag වෙනවා. Harina මේකත් එකකින් පල්ලෙහාට drag වෙන්න ඕන. This should also be dragged. But it is not happening like that. Because this is fixed. And it should give the answer 5,000. Here it should be 6,000. So the answer should be number 3. 16, it's number 3. 16, it's number 3, 6,000, right? So it's easy question. So if you want, I can show you how this is happening practically. So what, because this absolute referencing and relative referencing, some students won't understand perfectly. So let me show that. Okay, so let's say you have numbers like this, and if I add equal A1 plus B1, right, now you can see it's A1 plus B1. If I fill this or copy and paste this, fill in, copy and paste in, both are same, right? Fill means if I drag this, it will fill. Here A1 B1, no, this one has A2 B2. The relative reference is that A3 B3. Automatically in front of 2, in front of that will be added. Here also that 2 in front of this will be added. That means A8 B8 will be there in the C8. Here A6 B6. Okay, that is the relative reference. If I copy paste here, if I drag this direction, it is A1 B1, no? Here A1 plus B1. Here it should be B1 C1. Here it should be C1 D1. Here it should be D1 E1. And here it should be E1 F1. That is the normal case. That is in the normal case, right? But let's say I put dollar here. Dollar in front of B1. Then if I drag, you can see here B $1. $1 remain unchanged here. Still $1, B1. Still A is changing. A is going down with me. A is going down, but B1, B is not changing anyway. But A is also not changing. But 4 has changed. The next one will be 5. But 1 has not changed. If you want to make static both numbers, you can say A $1, B $1. Then both numbers are not changing. You always get 3 as the answer. A $1, B $1. Nothing changes. But if you drag this direction, it will change. Because those are letters, no? B $1, C $1, C $1, D $1, D $1, E $1. But if you put dollar in front of the letter also, then it's not changing this direction also. Then still $A, $1, $B, $1. Here $A, $1, B, not changing. So answer will be 3. Right? Then පල්ලයට වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ, හරහාට වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. But only, let's say only in front of the letter. Letter එක ඉස්සරහා විතරයි. Then you drag here, it will not change. But if you drag downward, it will change. මොකද letter එක ඉස්සරහානේ තියෙන්නේ. Number එක වෙනස් වෙනවා. Here number is changing. Number is changing. Okay, that is a summary theory part. If you still cannot understand, please ask. I can explain again. Right? Practice these things with the dollar sign, and you will understand this clearly. And you can watch it again also. If you want to add a blank slide to in electronic presentation you're editing, which is the shortcut key combination. To add blank slide, it is Control key and M key. Control N is actually new presentation. So sometimes you will confuse with this, right? Samara katti Control N dala tiyena mama dekka 17. Control N කියන්නේ new presentation එකක් මලුතෙන් ගනිද්දි තමයි Control N. If you take entire presentation, Control N. හැබැයි Control M වලින් තමයි new slide. Lashen's answer is correct. Control M is for the new slide, correct. For 17, it's Control M. These things you have to carefully understand, right? But sorry, Praveen's answer you have select. Praveen has, and Malin's answer is also correct. Control N. Praveen has selected Control N for new presentation, not for new slide, right? Okay, 19. 18 also I said, right? Okay, let's finish with 18. So 18 and 19 both I said. Okay, let's finish with that. Which of the following features in electronic presentation software can be used to change the content arrangement of slide arrangement 1 to arrangement 2? That is actually slide layout. Yes, any question? Yes, Pute, any question? I can hear someone was asking a question. Please talk, right? Don't be afraid to talk. If you like, I like if you can talk very much. If you can talk in the class, it's something to be appreciated. So please talk relevant things, right? Okay. Then arrangement 1 to arrangement 2, it is slide layout. Slide show is basically showing the slide. No, it's not changing anything. Slide sort is to like slide sort view එකකින් අපිට පුළුවන් slide order එක change කරන්න, delete කරන්න, cut කරන්න, copy කරන්න. And to change the order of the slides, we can use slide sort view. Slide view is just the editing view, right? But layout can be used to change this. Which of the following is not common feature for both word present and electronic presentation? Changing line space can be done in both. Find and replace can be done in both. Mail merge is only in word processing, not in the electronic presentation. Mail merge special feature which can be used to send multiple participants a similar template mail or letter. එක template එක letter එකක් ගොඩක් අයට copy කරලා යවන්න පුළුවන් edit කරලා. ඒ කියන්නේ addresses names අරම විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ. Template is almost same. That is mail merge. If you cannot remember, I'll teach you mail merge next day, right? Please ask this question from me when I start next day. So you said that you will teach mail merge. Please ask that question, then I'll teach you, right? Please remind me. Then find and replace is common, spell checker is common. So mail merge is the only different thing here for 19. Actually, today we have discussed around 21 questions. Now you can see we have speed up our discussion. Next day we will plan to discuss more than that. So that is our plan. Okay, then see you all next week, Pute. Good night. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Welcome.